How to invite someone to a group in Roblox. So what we want to do is log in into our account on roblox.com, and here we're just going to click on the three lines in the top left corner. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to groups, and here just choose the group that you want to invite them to. So for example, let's do this second group. Just click on it, and if you have successfully selected it, you will see this grayish line to the left. Now after you have opened up the group itself, we want to copy this link. So just left click on it and then right click on it to copy this. So just copy this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our chat here, and for example, let's say I want to invite this person to the group. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the chat, I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to paste it. And if I send them this group, they can apply directly themselves. So that's really how you invite them. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.